is inspiring from within. Each and every student has a Saraswati inside, which keeps on, our speaker from Tamil Nadu said, we have to keep moving on. So she makes us, she pushes us from within to keep moving on in whatever we have set our goals and all. So whatever the path that we have decided to tread on the path, Saraswati keeps us inspiring. So the whole our journey, everything, we are in a way thankful to Lord Saraswati for being with us, empowering us and inspiring us in all possible ways. That is the essence of the song. Thank you.
You equated the federation to Saraswati. Thank you.
सबसे पहले आप सभी आदरणीय वरिष्ठों को मेरा नमस्कार। सबसे पहले आप सभी वरिष्ठ सदस्यों को मेरा नमस्कार और मेरे साथियों को भी। आप लोगों ने जो माहौल हमें प्रोवाइड किया, ये जो माहौल आप लोगों ने हमें प्रोवाइड किया, माहौल आप लोगों ने हमें जो प्रोवाइड किया और आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद जो हमें मिला, उसके लिए हम सब आपके आभारी हैं। कुछ इश्यूज़ मैंने पिछले 1 साल में फील करे, जो मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। एक स्टाफ की बहुत कंटिंजेंसी हमारे हर ब्रांचेस में। ओके सॉरी आई एम ऑडिबल? यस सर, एक तो स्टाफ की बहुत कंटिंजेंसी है। जैसा कि हम सब फील करते हैं, स्टाफ की बहुत कंटिंजेंसी हर ब्रांच में। एक क्लर्क को ऑलमोस्ट डबल काम करना होता है, तो हमें उनके रिक्रूटमेंट्स बढ़ाने चाहिए थोड़े से। और क्योंकि ये पब्लिक कम सफ़र करती है, जिन्हें ज़रूरत होती है वो ई बैंकिंग से अपना काम चला लेते हैं, मोबाइल बैंकिंग से उनका काम हो जाता है, एटीएम से वो कैश डिस्पेंस कर सकते हैं। हमें कम से कम 3 से 4 दिन की स्ट्राइक करनी चाहिए, जिससे गवर्नमेंट कम से कम 4 दिन की स्ट्राइक पर सफ़र करेगी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। और सर, स्ट्राइक के दौरान हमें सभी ऑनलाइन सर्वर्स भी बंद करने चाहिए, जिससे ई ट्रांजैक्शंस भी बंद होना चाहिए। किसी भी तरह का ट्रांजैक्शन यदि हो नहीं पाएगा, तब हम ये समझते हैं कि स्ट्राइक सक्सेसफुल है। यदि बैंक बंद हैं और क्लियरिंग में चेक नहीं जा रहे हैं, आजकल चेक का अमाउंट बहुत कम हो गया है, ज़्यादातर ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहे हैं, और जिन्हें ज़रूरत होती है वो ये सब, उनके पास सारे अल्टरनेटिव्स होते हैं। और सर, हमें फिनेकल में, यूको बैंक में, फिनेकल थोड़ा सा पीछे है कुछ दूसरे बैंकों से। हमें बहुत सारे चार्जेस मैन्युअली कट करने होते हैं, जिससे हमारे जो मेन काम होते हैं उनको छोड़ के हमें उनको पहले करना होता है। कुछ सर्कुलर्स अभी आए थे चार्जेस के रिगार्डिंग। और सर, गवर्नमेंट की जो स्कीम्स इम्प्लीमेंट होती हैं, उसके लिए हमें कमीशन क्यों नहीं डिमांड करना चाहिए उनसे? एक्स्ट्रा वर्क के लिए हमें एक्स्ट्रा पे मिलना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। और सर, एरियर्स जो होते हैं, हमें 1.5 साल में एरियर्स 1.5-2 साल तक ये सेटलमेंट चल रहा होता है, और हमें 2 साल बाद हमारा पैसा, हमारा हक होता है, वो हमें 2 साल बाद मिलता है। क्यों ना उसके ऊपर हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलना चाहिए। ये सर, मैंने आपसे कल पूछा था, पर मैं कन्विंस नहीं था आपके पॉइंट से। मिस्टर डायरेक्टर सर, आपने मुझे जो समझाया था कल, मैं कन्विंस नहीं था उससे, क्योंकि AIB हमेशा लड़के अपना हक लेती आई है आज तक, और इसके लिए भी हम लड़ सकते हैं। और सर, मेडिकल एड जो 2000 से 2200 हुआ है सिर्फ, और ऑफिसर का 5000 से 8000 हुआ, तो ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है। और सर, कभी कभी ये चीज़ें फील होती हैं कि आप सभी वरिष्ठों का आशीर्वाद हमारे साथ हमेशा रहे, पर हमें एक सेकंड लाइन भी होना चाहिए हमारे पास में कि आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस हम तक पहुँचे, एटलीस्ट आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस हम तक पहुँचे। अभी यंगस्टर्स बहुत कम हैं यूनियन में, एक्टिव बहुत कम दिखते हैं, तो कम से कम इतना होना चाहिए कि 2-3 एक जो पटेल साहब हैं तो वो कम से कम 2-4 लोग ऐसे हों जो काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें उन्हें पास ऑन करें कि इन चीज़ों के कारण से हमें ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, इन चीज़ों के कारण से ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। हम हमेशा कांटेक्ट में पटेल साहब का रहते हैं जनरली। और सर बस ये 2-3 पॉइंट थे मेरी तरफ से तो, और इसके लिए आप कुछ थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello, good morning to all my friends, respective leaders. Thanks to us, I have a issue. मैं जोधपुर जोन से हूँ, राजस्थान जोधपुर जोन से हूँ। अभी जो भी नए जो हमारे आए हैं, नए रिक्रूट जो क्लैरिकल हुए हैं, उनमें एक प्रॉब्लम है। हमारी मैक्सिमम रूरल ब्रांचेस हैं, जिसमें पहले जब हम रिक्रूट हुए थे तो हम कैप्टिव यूज़र रहते थे। अब मैनेजर्स कुछ हैं जिन्हें उन्हें कुछ पता भी नहीं है, तभी उन्हें फ्री यूज़र बना देते हैं, जिसके कारण उनसे सभी तरह के काम कराए जाते हैं। जैसे 5 लाख 6 लाख किसी भी तरह की रिसिप्ट एंटर एंड पोस्ट की जाती है, जो कि गलत है और उन्हें ये पता भी नहीं है। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है, तो इसके लिए कुछ ऐसा हो कि उन्हें अपन हमेशा कैप्टिव ही रहे, या कोई इस तरह कुछ किया जाए जिनसे कोई इतने गलत काम ना करा सके। और एक ये भी ह्यूमन एक सेकंड क्वेश्चन इशू ये था कि जिस भी ब्रांच की जितनी मैन पावर चाहिए होती है उतनी मैन पावर नहीं मिलती हमें रूरल ब्रांचेस में। जहाँ 3 CTOs की ज़रूरत है वहाँ एक ही CTO है जो कि सभी काम अकेला ही करता है। ये हमारे जोन की सबसे बड़ी समस्या है आज की तारीख में। Okay, thank you to all.
Well, good evening to each and every person who is sitting in this arena, and I want to say namaskar, and after that to give a respect to senior leaders who is sitting in this. My friends, what we have learned from this 2-day convention, why we need to join a union and why we have to go with a union. Do you know why union is important for us? Union is important for us because if there is no union, management will going to treat us like a slave. It's really going on in the branches. I have been in the banking sector from the last 5 years, but I always give a support to AIBA because I have joined when I was in a KVB. I was joined in AIBA, and I'm telling you, be frankly, I will never take a promotion in my whole life. I will give my whole support to the AIBA. If you really want to do your job with a dignity, with a respect, with a loyalty, do with a union. Union is so much important because it protects you. What was happened to me, I want to conclude with an example. What was happened in the branch? My friend told me, I'm going to use a Hindi also here. My friend told me that क्या यूनियन ने करवा दिया यार, क्या हो गया, 2200 मेडिकल हो गया, ये कुछ भी नहीं बढ़ा, क्या हुआ, व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज दैट। मैंने कहा जा अकेला चला जा, 10 जनों को ले जा मैनेजमेंट के सामने, मैनेजमेंट सुनेगी, सैलरी बढ़ाएगी, भगा देगी 1 मिनट के अंदर। अगर यूनियन नहीं होगी तो ये जो मिल रहा है वो भी नहीं मिलेगा, रिस्पेक्ट के साथ काम नहीं करेगा। 6-6 बजे तक बैठ कर यहाँ पे ऑफिसर तुम्हें लटकाएंगे। अगर ऑफिसर तुम्हें वो बोलेंगे कि तुम्हें वो पास करना है, तेरी तो पावर 15,000 की है, 30,000 की है, तू तो ये करेगा, क्यों करूँ, व्हाई शुड आई डू इट। इफ आई एम अ सिंगल विंडो ऑपरेटर ए, आई एम गोइंग टू पास अ वाउचर अप टू 15,000. यू विल नेवर टेल मी दैट आई कैन डू इट मोर देन दैट. I will never do it. This is the power of the union, and give your whole support from your heart to the union. Not say from your mouth, Zindabad, Zindabad AIB. Say from your heart and give your whole support to the union. There are so many bipartite settlements will going to come. So create your image like that. Management will. There is a mutual understanding between you and well as the management. So you can protect yourself from the management as well as you can protect your job also from the senior management persons also. Please, thank you. If I say anything wrong, to leave me, please.
Good afternoon, respected comrades present here, and my fellow comrades who have come from each and every corner of India. Firstly, I would like to thank the entire team of Tamil Nadu who has given such a lovely reception to us, and we are overwhelmed by their hospitality. Thank you very much. Now coming to AIBA, Actually, I am very grateful to AIBA, who has opened the gateway for recruitment. That's why we are here. With people like us, maybe 2 years in service, 3 years in service, or just recently 1 month in service, we are really grateful to AIBA, who has given us opportunity to enter the banking sector. Thank you, AIBA. And I am really grateful to our state committee leaders, who has helped me understand my service conditions and philosophy behind joining the trade union. Thank you once again to the state committee leaders who has helped me knowing each and every service conditions of my job, which has helped me to do day-to-day work in my branches. Thank you very much. Now coming to the ominous threat, recent threat in the banking sector, that is PGNI committee recommendation. Friends, we have joined the banking industry. Many of us we are BE graduates. Why you have come in banking industry? It's because we want a secure future. It's we will decide our future, not somebody, a PJ committee recommendation. We will decide our destiny, not somebody like PJ committee. We have fought for our job. It was not a bread and butter situation by which we got our job. We have to fight for our job, then we got in this position. So we should decide our own destiny, not a PJ committee recommendation. Thank you. Next, I will request every state committee leaders to give certain responsibility to small units so that they can link up with the new masses, those who have joined recently, maybe 1 or 2 months, or those who will be coming in the next few years, so that we can get more members. And I am proud. I belong from a zone where there is no other member from the second trade union. We are the majority and there are 0 members from, I will not name the trade union. We are the majority and there is 0 member from my district. And I will also request to take every member a bank flag. There you will get every circulars and recent updates about the banking industry. So I will request every member to collect a bank flag. Next week, in the morning, we heard from our director. Director said that our gross profit is 4,910 crores and our net profit is 1,138 crore due to bad provisioning and NPA. It is also our responsibility to look after this so that we can reduce the NPA levels along with the management, so that we can make our bank a healthy bank and we can take really our bank to new height, not in words, but in reality. And certain issues I would like to issue in the local levels. In our branch nowadays we are seeing some recovery agents, those who are acting like managers in the branches. They know they are taking every documents, they are updated about every situation of the branches, even more than the employees of the branches. We need to stop this. We request our leaders to stop this recovery agents. They themselves are defaulters. How will they recover? They themselves have taken loan from the bank and they are acting as recovery agents. What is this? This is going to stop. Well, I would like to end my speech by citing a poem from Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Namaskar friends, I am Vishal Bhardwaj from Punjab zone and presently working in Karnal, Haryana branch. Firstly, I am thankful to my Punjab unit because they bring me here and give the opportunity to feel the experience that I never experienced if I don't come here. And thankful to the Chennai Tamil Nadu unit because they organized the same and gave all of us the opportunity to come here. From before I come here, I think that union was not so good. This was my perception. But after when I have come here, my perception was totally changed. Now I have realized why unions are so important. Because if if myself not do anything for myself, then unions are there, they do everything for me. And friends, I request to you that you should be do for yourself, because if in a branch, when some officers or when someone other else told me to do the things that we are not to do, so first we are the person who oppose the same. And if we don't oppose the same, then how we expect that our unions are do the same? I am saying that I am keen to work for the union. I want to work for the All India UCO Bank Employee Federation. And I am request to all of you that you should be keen to work for the All India UCO Bank Employee Federation, because this is the only way to achieve our target. If we don't work for the unions, I don't think so we equally, or I am a single person that I am not able to combat with the management because they are so powerful. But when we have such type of leaders and such type of unions, then I think I have the power to do something. And sir, I have one query from my side. In my branch, sometime I officiate for the ABH, and when I asking for the officiating, they told me that you have got 7.5% of your basic, or sometime they told the another things. And when I communicate with my union leaders, they told me something better than there. So I just want the clarification for the same. And my last I learn from my life, not too much, but I think if we are make a determination and do it, then we can do everything. So I request to all of you that you all of you have make a determination that you make our union so strong that we can say that we want this and we definitely get this from the management. No one can stop us. But that's it for my side. I am thankful to the Tamil Nadu unit that they give the opportunity to join the same and feel the great experience from Chennai. And last, I thankful that the hospitality of the Chennai is too good. I can't forget the same for all of my life. Thank you very much, sir.
A very warm good evening to all of you. Myself Saurabh from Ranchi zone. Today I got a golden opportunity to stand in front of you. Today I got a golden opportunity to stand in front of you guys, and due to our management, and I am very glad to say that our management has recently set up a milestone in 10 bifertile settlement. I remember there was a day when the bank employees were treated like virtual slaves with bad service conditions, and wages of bank employees were very low and the service conditions were very bad. And our union, this is only our union who continuously fight against our management, and after fighting through the continuously, today we are in position in good service conditions. So I am very glad to say that our union has continuously fight against the management. And last but not the least, I wish, I pray and I work for my union and work for my organizations. Partho sir, Honorable sir, I wanted to ask from you, in this situation, why do we need capital buffer and capital conservation? Instead, we have already CRR, SLR and MSF. So I wanted to know that what is the need of it, sir?